Now, the next one I want to talk about is the Zone 300. This little baby, don't let the size fool you. I've got these plugged in all over my camper, all over actually even my office and the bathrooms and things like that. Look, it is a 30, 60, or 120 minute cycle. Plugs into the standard 110 outlet. And look, plug that little button, it's got a high-low mode. This is gonna be just your set it and forget it. Walk out and forget it, let it run. Great for multiple different areas of the camper or the RV if you want to plug them into different rooms. I also use them a lot around home. This baby's going to take care of most smells, but look, I just showed you the 750, the Overlander 750. I don't want you to think that this is going to be your answer all if you got diesel fuel all over your boots and you want to get rid of that smell. Okay, you really have to have a much more powerful unit. This is great for those everyday smells like bacon grease, maybe wet dog. A little bit of mustiness in the RV or the tent. You want to hit those bathrooms and those bedrooms. This is a really great little unit for a lot less money.